Hi friends, I am Ajay Kulkarni and you are watching my channel AK's Math, Online Mathematics Learning. If you are not subscribed my channel, then at first subscribe my channel on YouTube, so you will get regular updates on it. So today we are going to learn a very important part of the similarity chapter of 10th standard. In similarity, first two exercises are depends upon the simple properties, but now the next exercises are related with actual similarity. So what is the meaning of similarity? And to learn the similarity test, before that we have to learn something different that we already learned in the previous years. So look at this one. What is here? Two triangles are shown. ABC and PQ are the two triangles. Among these two triangles, we can set up 1-1 correspondence between the two triangles. At first, we have to decide 1-1 correspondence. By which manner we have to take the 1-1 correspondence between these two triangles. So look at this one. Triangle ABC 1-1 correspondence to triangle PQR. ये जो साइन है बीच में का two side arrowheads, it is the symbol of 1-1 correspondence. So 1-1 correspondence, we have to set up a relation between two triangles at first. Look at this one. A is related with P. The corresponding angle of A is angle P. The corresponding angle of B is angle Q. So corresponding angle of C is angle R. So by this way, at first we have to set the angle relation, which are the corresponding partners. Remember students, corresponding angles is the different concept in the parallel lines. उधर वो अलग है, इधर ये triangle correspondence है. Correspondence means related with each other. So by that way, angle A is related with angle P. Therefore, angle P is the corresponding angle of angle A. Angle B is related with angle Q and angle C is related with angle R. In the same way, we can set the correspondence between the sides. Look at these two. AB is related with PQ. So we can write side AB, 1-1 correspondence to side PQ. Then BC is related with QR. Side BC is related with side QR. Therefore, we can write side BC, 1-1 correspondence to side QR. In the same way, the remaining side AB and PR. So by that way, AC and PR. So AC is related with PR. So by this way, we can set the 1-1 correspondence between the two triangles. Now, similarity. What is the similarity actually? Similarity means when the corresponding angles, ये जो हमने अभी corresponding angles देखे वाले हैं, AB is related with PQ, BC is related with QR, AC is related with PR. At the same time, angle A is related with angle P, angle B is related with angle Q, angle C is related with angle R. By that correspondence, if the corresponding element satisfies certain condition, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. Similar means actually they have to pass certain condition. So what are those conditions? Look at this one. When two triangles become similar, if two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. If two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that these two triangles are similar by double A test. It is the double A test. So we can say that when two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then those two triangles are similar by double A test. In the same way, remaining some test we have to learn. If three pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion, three pairs of, what is the meaning of proportion, that we will learn in the next slide. But if the three pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion, then we can say that it is a yes test of similarity. And if three pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then it is called as a triple A test. One more test is there, which is called as a yes test. Means when two pairs of sides are in proportion and including one pair of angle is congruent to each other, then we can say that those two triangles are similar by yes test. So total 4 tests are there. One is double A test, another one is triple S test, third one is triple A test, and the fourth one is yes test. Now let's learn something new now. Look at this one. At first we will learn how to decide yes test, triple S test. Look at these two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are given. So if we observe carefully, अगर हमने ये दोनों फिगर को अगर ध्यान से देखा तो हमको इसमें साइड के रिलेशन ध्यान में आएंगे. So which are the side relations? Look at this one. AB in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If we take AB upon PQ, look at the AB. AB के ऊपर 9 लिखे वाला है, PQ के ऊपर 6 लिखे वाला है. AB upon PQ. So we can find AB upon PQ very easily, 9 by 6. So it will be equal to 3 by 2. In the same way, all the three pairs we can find. AC upon PR, it is equal to 3 by 2. Again, BC upon QR, it is also equal to 3 by 2. So if the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that if the ratio of all corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then we can say that the sides of these two triangles are in proportion. और अगर तीनों भी पेयर प्रोपोर्शन में आ गए, कभी 2 पेयर आ सकते प्रोपोर्शन में, कभी तीनों पेयर आ सकते, कभी तीनों भी पेयर जो है उनका रेशियो जो है अलग अलग आ सकता. So these are the possibilities. Now here what was happened? All the three ratios are equal. So we can say that the sides are in proportion. So if sides are in proportion, then we can write AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR, and it is equal to 3 by 2. So by that way we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by triple S test. ये बात बहुत ही ध्यान में रखने की है बच्चों यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हमको यहाँ पे रेशियो जो है वो रेशियो सेपरेट लेने के हैं. अगर चेक करने का है तुमको तो रेशियो सेपरेट लेने पड़ेंगे. अगर सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स दिए वाले हैं तो तुम रेशियो यूज कर सकते. अगर तुमको वेरीफाई करने का है वेदर द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर और नॉट, then you have to find out 3 ratios separately at first and from that you can decide. उसके ऊपर से हम डिसाइड कर सकते, हम डायरेक्टली नहीं लिख सकते विदाउट फाइंडिंग इट. सो बाय दिस वे हाउ टू डिसाइड वेदर द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर बाय ट्रिपल एस और नॉट, दैट वी कैन easily understand. Now look at this one. This is the another pair which is in front of us now. Look at this pair, LMN and LMT. In between these two triangles we will learn now how AA test happens, double A test happens in triangle LMN and triangle LMT. So LNM, the red symbols are congruent with each other, means LNM is congruent to LTM, and LMN, angle LMN, the middle one, angle LMN and angle LMT, both are 90 degree. Right angle marking is given. So we can write these two angles are also congruent, each 90 degree. So from that we can write triangle LMN is similar to triangle LMT by double A test. Always remember student, double A test is the when two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then it is called as a double A test. And do you know that this is the most important test which we have to apply maximum times. हमको ये बार बार यूज करने की है. डबल ए टेस्ट हमको सिमिलैरिटी के चैप्टर में भी मिल जाएगी, पाइथागोरस में भी मिल जाएगी, सर्कल में भी मिल जाएगी, ये कहाँ पे भी आपको मिल जाएगी. लेकिन आपको ये क्राइटेरिया ध्यान में रखने का है और ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपको ये टेस्ट का यूज करने का है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डबल ए टेस्ट is the most important test of the similarity which we have to apply in so many parts of geometry. So when two pairs of angles are equal, then double A happens. So always remember this particular test. Now look at the another pair of triangles, triangle ABC, triangle PQR. 8, 4, 6, 3. We can easily understand. बहुत ही easy figure है. 8 और 4, 4 से डबल 8 है, 3 से डबल 6 है, और एक बीच में का एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. आइडेंटिकल मार्किंग्स आर गिवन. 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6. How it is easy? Means but we have to write in a proper way. Look at this one now. How to write it? AB upon PQ, it is equal to 8 by 4. So it is equal to 2 by 1. Means we have to find the ratio separately. ये हमको दिख रहा है अभी फिगर के ऊपर, ये समझ में आ रहा है इसलिए हम डायरेक्ट लिख सकते, ऐसा नहीं है. ये हम इसको हमको पूरा करके बताना पड़ेगा पहले. सो सेकंड पेयर BC अपॉन QR, इट इज इक्वल टू 6 by 3, इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 2 by 1. So by this way we have to find out the ratios at first, and then we have to write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So these two ratios are equal, including angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR. So by this way, this test is the SAS test of the similarity, and which is very simple. So you can, when two pairs of angles are congruent, two pairs of sides are in proportion, and one pair of including angle जो है वो दोनों के बीच में का होना चाहिए, उसके सिवा नहीं जमता ये. अगर समझो AB and PQ and BC and QR, these two pairs are in proportion, और अगर B congruent to Q, then and then only this will happen. Yes, say yes. Means any two pairs of sides and including angle is congruent, means that pair is particular congruent, then and then yes, yes will happen, otherwise not. So do you understand? Now look at some. लेकिन अभी हमको क्या है कि हमको एग्जाम में कुछ बातें ध्यान में रखनी पड़ती है. Look at this one now. Every triangle is similar to itself. Every triangle is similar to itself. This is the reflexivity property which we learn in the first chapter of 9th standard. So every triangle is similar to itself. So triangle ABC is always similar to triangle ABC. Now what is the second one? If first triangle is similar to second, then second will be similar to first. अगर पहला ट्रायंगल दूसरे को सिमिलर है तो दूसरा ट्रायंगल पहले को सिमिलर हो जाएगा. So if ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then triangle PQR is automatically similar to triangle ABC. This was the second property which we learned, which is called as a symmetry. So symmetry is the second property. First one is the reflexivity, and third one we learn, if first triangle is similar to second, पहला ट्रायंगल अगर दूसरे को सिमिलर है और दूसरा ट्रायंगल अगर तीसरे को सिमिलर है, this is transitivity. If first triangle is similar to second one, second triangle is similar to third one, then first will be similar to third one. This particular property is called as the transitivity property of the similarity. So you have to remember these three properties. Now look at some figures. Means figure इतने simple नहीं आएंगे आपको एग्जाम में. एग्जाम में complicated figure पूछे जाएंगे दोस्तों. और complicated figure we have to identify at first. Look at this one. This is one of the figure, ABC triangle, and in which a PQ line is given. Due to that triangle is divided into two parts. One is the yellow part, which is triangular part, and one is the trapezium, which is blue part. But we have to concentrate on the smaller triangle APQ and larger triangle ABC. APQ and ABC, not the blue part. APQ and ABC. If PQ is parallel to BC, if PQ is parallel to BC, then what will happen? These two angles will be congruent. These two are the corresponding angles. Angle APQ congruent to angle ABC. If you don't want to take this one, then you can take this pair also. Angle AQP congruent to angle ACB. And one angle A, is lying in between the both triangles. Means it is in smaller triangle also, it is in upper triangle also. Means larger triangle also. APQ and ABC. So angle A is the common. So these two triangles will be similar by double A test. So these are the simple tricks by which we can learn how to show the similarity between the two triangles. Okay, look at this one. One more, we can write these two triangles are similar by double A test. Double A test. So now look at one more diagram. Look at this one. Suppose that AB and CD are intersecting at point O, and the numbers are given. OA is 8, OD is 6, OB is 4, OC is 3. So if you take the pairs properly, then you can identify that 3 to the 6 and 4 to the 8. Means the sides of lower triangle are double than the corresponding sides of the upper triangle. So their ratio will be 1/2. So we can write AO upon OB, it is equal to 2/1, 8/4. DO upon CO, it is also equal to 2/1. So we have to write it in, means it is required in writing. So you have to find out the ratios as I taught you in the last slide. And one including angle. The including angle which is from both sides. Now here remember, students always makes mistake in such situation. They means always writes common angle. These two are not common angles. Two angles cannot be common. But we have to write for this pair vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD is congruent to angle BOC. So by this way, these two triangles are similar by SAS test. So students, always remember these tricks, techniques, so you can solve easy examples or some hard examples from this chapter. So by this way, we have to learn, we have to concentrate how to show the similarity between the two triangles. And to learn such easy tricks, you should be in touch with me. So you have to subscribe my channel. So subscribe my channel AK's Math at youtube.com or Ajay Digolkar at youtube.com. So automatically you will get what is happening on my channel. So do now your study properly, do some examples related with the similarity test and get the marks. Bye bye students.